What are the 4 foods you should stay away from if you have diverticulitis? Now, if you go to a doctor or a naturopath, the first thing they're going to tell you is to, cut back on sugar just because sugar isn't good for you. But this doesn't answer the question, why does everyone else eat sugar and they don't have diverticulitis? Or they might say, hey, stay away from dairy, stay away from baby food, stay away from a food that has vitamin A, D, E, K2, vitamin B, calcium, phosphorus, all these vital minerals and vitamins that are in a liquid format, easy to digest, but for some reason it is not good for you, and for some reason most of the population on Earth eats these foods and they don't have diverticulitis. Maybe you should stay away from coffee. Maybe you should stay away from alcohol. Which is it? What's right here? Maybe it's gluten. There's gluten in this. I hope you're seeing that this doesn't add up at all. Any food can be the worst food for diverticulitis, and it's not the food itself, it's actually your perception of the foods that really matters. So I know a lot of people, they don't get intolerant to dairy or to bread until they start going on a really strict diet and they start to watch some YouTube videos, they start to read some books that give them 101 reasons why this food isn't good for you. Then now all of a sudden they get chronic diarrhea when they eat these foods. So what is really causing your diverticulitis? You have to understand that everything in your body is controlled by your brain. Everything. And so diverticulitis is caused by a super stressful event. And it's something you've been really stressed out about and probably stressed out about for a very long time. It is this filthy thing you can't get rid of. It is constantly in and out, in and out, in and out of your life. So my question to you is, what is that hard to digest thing in your life that you can't get rid of? Do not blame energy and nutrients for your digestive issues. And it's hard to even consider diverticulitis a digestive issue because the colon doesn't digest anything. All it does is absorb water and hold poop. It does not digest. So people who are going around flapping their gums about colitis and diverticulitis being related to poor digestion, they're just flat out idiots, and you shouldn't listen to them because it doesn't digest food in the first place. It is bonkers stupid. And the idea that food affects your colon is also kind of nonsense, because by the time it goes through your stomach, it goes through your small intestines, it's not even that same food by the time it gets to the colon. The only food that has that power are foods like really hot foods like chilies and stuff, where the hotness can reside all the way throughout that whole journey. But other than that, guys, all food is safe. There are no bad foods for diverticulitis if you believe that all food is safe. But all foods can be dangerous and cause your gut to go into overdrive and cause symptoms if you believe it to not be safe, to believe it to be hard to digest. So what you need to do to fully get your diverticulitis, because just seeing all food is safe is just one small part of getting over diverticulitis. So what you need to do is go down in the description below and click on my free 30-day plan. It is absolutely free. Just click on it and I will tell you the 4-step plan to getting over your diverticulitis. You can get better. There is a root cause. It is emotional. You might not see it, but it is there. It is emotional. Watch this video and I'll show you what you need to do to get better and get rid of diverticulitis forever. So you can live a normal life again. Go down and click on it. I'll see you guys in the next video.